Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of the summer fruits in the Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The summer event update has been released in the Grow a Garden for 2026 and this is the event now. To join this event guys, the high tide harvest event, we need to submit tidal fruits and summer fruits only. For the tidal fruits, we can get it during the high tide harvest event. We will automatically get the mutation from the event. We just need to wait for the mutation. And for the summer fruits guys, these are the summer fruits that you can plant in your garden, so you will earn points from the summer fruits. Okay, these are the summer fruits. There are cauliflower, rafflesia seed, and then green apple, avocado, banana, pineapple, and so on. I'm going to buy the pineapple. And beside all these fruits, actually there are another fruits that you can use to join this event. You can use the summer fruits from the 2024 summer harvest, 2024 or 2025, such as elephant ears, and then the pear fruit, and the moon melon. And yeah, I'll put the list of all the summer crops or summer fruits in a Grow a Garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the summer crops or summer fruits in a Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.